our ice cream display freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 50 inches, a depth of 27 inches, an overall height of 52 inches tall. 52 inches counts from the bottom of the freezer with wheels towards the top of the display glass cover. Overall height minus the display cover, we have 34 inches tall. Measurements for the arch display cover itself will include 48 inches in length, 25 inches in depth by 18.5 inches in height. Back of the display freezer, measurements for the center display shelf will include 46.5 inches in length by 8 inches in depth. Measurements for the roof glass will include 8.25 inches in depth by 48 inches in length. Coming to the back of the freezer is the ETL certification along with the technical specifications. On top will be left and right dual slide glass doors. Included will be 5 removable baskets. Each basket to display your merchandise, and the measurements for each basket will include 20.5 inches in depth by 8.5 inches in length. Measurements apply for each of the 5 removable baskets, and those can be inserted on the top track of the display freezer. There will be a total of 9 rows. Each slot is where you can hold and put in your popsicles. The measurements for each popsicle tray will include 8.5 inches in length, 16.5 inches in depth by 11.5 inches tall to the highest point. Coming towards the front of the display freezer, the interior will be an LED strip that runs along the front. Last but not least, the interior dimensions for the chest freezer. Overall length, we have 45 inches, a depth of 22 inches, and the overall height of 24 inches tall. Located on the left side of the interior for the chest freezer will be a step. Measurements for the step will include 10 inches in height, 22 inches in depth by 9 inches in length. Measurements of the step towards the top of the chest freezer will be 15 inches tall. And overall length from the left side of the step towards the right of the chest freezer we have 36 inches in length. Keys will be included to lock up the dual glass doors whenever the chest freezer is not in operation. Also provided will be tools to scrape off excess ice and buildup within the chest freezer. Coming to the bottom will be the 110-120 voltage drain plug. Coming to the lower front will be the on-off and light switch, indicator, and on the side will be the temperature gauge to adjust the temperature for the interior. This display freezer can hold ice cream, gelato tubs, meats, seafood, and much more. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.